Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share how to reset the oil maintenance required light on the Toyota Avalon. This operation is for those who have changed the engine oil on the 2005 to 2022 Toyota Avalon. So let's see together how this task is done. If you have a 2005 to 2012 Toyota Avalon, you can reset the maintenance required light by using the trip button on the instrument cluster. So let's go for it. Step 1. Turn on the ignition without starting the car or press the start button twice. Step 2. Press the trip button and make sure your odometer reads on auto. Step 3. Turn off the car. Step 4. Hold down the trip button while turning on the ignition again without cranking the engine. Step 5. Hold the trip button until the odometer is going to flash, then you'll see some 0 appear on the display. Like the predecessor, in the 2013 to 2018 Toyota Avalon, you can reset the maintenance light by using the trip button on the instrument cluster, but there is little difference. So let me teach you right now. Step 1. Press the start button twice without touching the brake pedal. Step 2. Press the trip button on the instrument cluster repeatedly to bring you to trip A. Step 3. Press the start button once to turn off the ignition. Step 4. Press and hold the trip button and press the start button twice again. Step 5. Continue to hold down that trip button until the screen clears and then your maintenance light has been reset. To reset the maintenance light on a 2019 Avalon, you will use the steering wheel's navigation buttons to navigate through the cluster screen. So let's see how it's done. Step 1. Press the start button twice without depressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Use the arrow button until you get to the gear icon. Step 3. Use the right arrow button until you get to the vehicle settings. Step 4. Hold down the OK button to go in. Step 5. Use the down button to highlight the scheduled maintenance and press the OK button to select. Step 6. When a confirmation message appears, select Yes to reset the maintenance data. So that is basically how to reset the maintenance light on the Toyota Avalon. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable automotive tips and tricks. So thanks for checking it out and have a great day.